Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to teach you how to fix notifications not working on iPhone without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, check your notification settings. Make sure that notifications are enabled for the specific apps you are having the trouble with to do. This you have to simply open the setting app and then tap on notifications and select the app which is causing the issue. Like I'm facing an issue with Facebook, and you have to make sure that the allow notifications are enabled and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check do not disturb mode and silent mode is disabled. Ensure that your iPhone is not do not disturb mode, as this will silence all notification. You can check by the going to control center on your iPhone and you can see the option do not disturb. If it's enabled, then you have to do is simply disable it, and if you have enabled the silent mode on your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds, and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is background app refresh on your iPhone. Make sure that the background app refresh is enabled for the apps you want to receive notifications from, or you can simply enable this for all the apps you have. So guys, to enable this, then you have to do is simply tap on background app refresh, then again tap on it, and you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi and cellular data is enabled and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset all settings. This will reset all settings. Don't data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix notifications not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.